Do 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 do. Can request access to stream in 2K on Twitch. I have an RTX graphics card, I think. Do 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 do. So. Um, right. It's a lot of progress. This weekend. Feel I need to step back a bit and do some design. To know what I should add next. Yesterday I was about to add a female player. I mean, this doesn't look perfect, but she works. I'm like, is that really what the game needs now? Choice of gender? Maybe that's not so important. Another thing I wanted to add is emotes, because on this and this is another candidate for a female character. She looks a bit more, I don't know. Maybe you can choose between them at some point. But anyway, these are all just prototypes. But the thing is, no, wait. The thing is, there are a lot of animations. So you can add some cool animations to them, like dancing. Very easily. Oh, I haven't rigged this one. Maybe it was this one that I rigged and gave the bubble dance. It's pretty funny. That could be the female dance emote. Yeah, anyway. What would it add to the game? I don't know. Gender choice. I really want to add a good icon or like some effect actually for when you level up. I think that will add more to the game. Add level up effect. And that might not be too difficult. And like skill icon instead of just having this in plain text. Oops. Skill icon. So you could have a skill icon for this in the style of the buttons you've made. Can you make a skill icon for the strength skill? So at the moment, this character is in the game, but she's not loadable. And now it looks like this. You cannot select gender yet, but I really like this background. Me and my girlfriend made this yesterday. It's a bit underwhelming when you get into the world though. It's like, doesn't look like on the picture. But here, like, adding this as a skill would be great. Like a skill icon here or something instead of all this text. I mean, I kind of like this actually. It's not bad. This is perfect. Super clear what this is, right? Strength. Yeah. Resize images. Strength icon. Resize that down to 64 by 64. Python resize. Why doesn't it find? I just installed this package. Pip Install pillow. Well, let's remove these icons for now from the menu because they're not going to be used. Main menu. Let's just hide it for now. And then in the XP HUD, or just HUD, this is gonna be a similar thing to this one. Action bar button with labels on them. But not a button. It's just gonna be a texture. We already have the script to write the label, that's perfect. Why is that moved so far up? This should be like here. Maybe even centered on the rectangle, actually. Yeah. You can just make it center. And transform. Yeah, and then anchor it in the center. Like that. And then if you write more, it becomes larger. Perfect. Probably want this number to be bigger. Oops. Theme overrides, fonts. No, font sizes. There we go. I want an outline. How do I add that? Outline color. Black, yeah. How do I make it bigger? Outline size 2. Okay, yeah, that works. Awesome. How does this look now in the HUD? Weird. I don't know what this is, what's going on here. Here we go. Left to right. No. Inherited. No. Anchors. No, wait. What? What happened now? Anchors. What? What the hell? Okay, I think I might need to fix this. There we go. How did I get this one to appear like that? Um, Maybe this needs to be a bar as well. VBox container. And how do I do like stretch and stuff in this? Keep forgetting. I mean, in the main menu, I think I had a good settings for this. What's up? What's up, A? How are you doing? Did you ever watch the GDC talk with Rockstar about GTA 5 audio on PS3? They used an SPU for it and a bunch of tricks. No, I haven't seen that. What's GDC? The Game Developer Conference? I haven't worked anything with audio yet. For my first game, I just recorded all the audio. I mean, that was never completed, but like I made them like boom, boom, like myself with a microphone. But yeah. Oh wait, this needs to go in here. That's why it didn't work. Yeah, GDC. I'm loving Godot myself. Just started out a few weeks ago. Yeah, it's really nice actually. And this is the game engine I know the best. So like, it's basically the only one I've used. So for me, it's It feels really good using it, actually. It's great. Maybe at some point it's time to contribute back. Try to write something. If I come into some abilities that are missing or some bugs at some point, maybe. We'll see. That would feel good, actually. So let's save this as the XP HUD instead. Save as scene, XP HUD. XP HUD 2, save. Then we can delete HUD, no, XP HUD. Let me just, I don't want to lose progress. Git. So what kind of game are you building? Git commit, some progress, starting to add icon for strength. Delete this, remove, don't save. And then we delete XP HUD, okay. And then we can rename this to XP HUD and pull that in here. There we go. Now it contains within the thing. That's perfect. I wonder if we can align, yeah. Can we put it like with some... I don't know. I don't want it to be right in the corner, but whatever. This is a good first step. String icon. No clue what kind. I'm just doing random stuff in the engine right now. Just making some scenes, 2D stuff, and messing around. I did a Vampire Survivor thing as my first project to learn the engine. That sounds like the same attitude I have. I'm like just playing around. Like I have a vague idea, but I'm mainly just playing around, trying to prototype different features to see how hard they are to do. Like multiplayer, online multiplayer. I actually got that to work. And then just, yeah, whatever I feel like. It's really fun. And I think it's more fun now, maybe because I've learned more, so it's easier to do stuff. Also, like making the projects or like the ideas into prototypes, so it's like a bit quicker to reach some kind of results. But also with AI, I find the frustration tolerance doesn't need to be as high when you get stuck as it was when I tried this the first time for like 1.5 years ago. AI wasn't really there. It was, and I guess the documentation and stuff was not at the same level either. So yeah, a lot of factors making it just more and more fun, I think. So here we only need to put strength level now. Claude 4 is pretty good with GDScript. Nice, yeah. I find Gemini is pretty good as well. All right, so wait, there's nothing there now, of course. Okay, now you have one. Oh, this doesn't work now. Because I just moved out the whole thing. And so my clicks doesn't go through that. I think I can add that though. Change that. Mouse. Pass, propagate up. Does that work? Okay, what if I just do ignore? I hope that doesn't propagate down though. Okay, good. That worked. This is way better than the text. This is an awesome icon, actually. Just need to kill a few to level up. And we need a label. Or what is it called? A tooltip. Get parent dot tooltip equals I want to do like XP2 next level. So it will be your total XP for the next one. And then your current XP, right? Strength and int operator. Wait, string and int operator. Ah, yeah. Which one of them is a string? Player. Strength XP is an integer. Gemini 2.5 is great. Context. I use it with Aider code. What is Aider code? This should work. Something with my syntax that's wrong. CLI coding agent. Nice. Never used that. It bothers me that, like, which one is it that isn't an integer? That one of them is not an integer. That bothers me. Var next level strength. Var current strength. Oops. Now the debugger should say this. Oh, wait. Ah, was that the issue? No, that I had a minus sign before. So which is the integer? Or which is the string? Ah, okay, I get it now. That's the problem. Oh my god. It evaluated to the string and then did the minus on the target string. That's why it didn't work. I've been addicted to Cult of the Lamb. What is Cult of the Lamb? Okay, how do you set the tooltip on this thing? Tooltip text. Is it a game? XP to next level. Okay, it works. Nice. It's a roguelike with rooms, like Zelda, Binding of Isaac, but it's also cult sim, base management, addicting gameplay loop. Art style is awesome. Let me check it out. And now XP to next level is lower. I want the tooltip to come up almost instantly though. Can I change that somehow? Tooltip. Cult of the Lamb sounds like a rock band or something. Ah, yeah. Look at the art style and the vibes. Yeah, that looks cool. In Godot 4, how do I reduce the timer required for a tooltip to show up? I want it to be almost instant. This is big progress actually. Maybe I should release this already. Add a lot of images though that are not needed at the moment. Maybe it's okay. Strength icon.import can be removed from Git though. Can I use regex there? Can I use regex in git ignore? I want to ignore all images in this directory that does not have width x height in their name in a certain directory. For example, bread.png should be ignored, but not bread 64 x64.png. Ah, it's a project setting. Okay, project GUI tooltip display. Timers. Let's just have it instant. Yeah, that's good. Maybe the tooltip should be something like strength XP to next level. Okay, good. Let me just add this to the git ignore. So it's going to be like star.png.import .png.import status. Good. Add strength icon. Are we ready for a release? I think so, right? It's an improvement. I wonder how big the file is now. a little bit bigger, but it's okay. It's like 10 megabytes bigger. I should actually remove manually now. Female icon.png, yeah, move to recycle bin. What was that? Red as well. So they don't get imported to the final game file. Oof, this one should not be imported either. The OSRS XP curve. Remove redundant imports. I like this kind of I don't want to use the word indie games because it feels very convoluted or like very overused, but like, yeah, the creative outlet of people just creating weird, cool games. It's awesome. I was browsing around on itch a bit yesterday. It's pretty fun. Reminds me of the Flash game era art style, like Newgrounds. Yeah, Newgrounds, that was the shit. That was the shit. So many weird games there. It's like, yeah, weird stuff. Maybe it's time to fix the name of the project because it's a misspelling here. Combat Sim. Then I need to fix it in this code base. Combat Sim. So it can get released. Update game name to fix typo. Add a main menu background and strength skill icon. Lots of code. Mostly import stuff. just gotta test it quickly to see if this tooltip still works after I changed it. Yeah. Damn. Wait, I want to fix this XP curve. That should not be needed anymore. Oh, now it's not an integer though. It's a float. Get XP curve. And this has to be an integer then. Yeah, good. Git add, git commit, fix integer type. What the hell? Then new release 0.9. Is the next. I hope this works now with the new itch link. Let's pray. So in the description, you can find the link where you can try the game. And this should automatically publish it. So the web version to itch.io, and then the underlying the game server is also getting deployed. It should take around 2 minutes. And let me know what you think. Okay, so now web is done. Updated 6 minutes ago, but I think, okay, now. And how big is it? 49 megabytes. That's okay. Yo. Boom. Boom. Cool. All right. That's all for me this session. Thank you for watching as always. Try the game. Let me know what you think. And I hope you have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.